I know the idle needs set up on it, but I don't care. Big fucking rich.
That carburetor.
So rich it's already fuel foul in the plugs.
You talking about it sitting there blowing raw fuel out of the exhaust? On the driver's side.
Wet?
Yeah. Come here. Oh, you can't see it now. Oh, you can still see a little bit. See the splatter marks from the fuel?
That's not fuel, that's probably condensation. Yeah, that's condensation.
Condensation fuel.
Yep.
Yep.
That's condensation coming out of the exhaust. I mean, good compression.
Damn.
Means good compression. It don't smoke, so that's a good thing. Now you guys see it makes noise. Like I say, it runs, but it's pig rich. So, but hopefully the IRD carburetor will be a lot better than this quick fuel. Plugs are still set. No, they're right there.
Yeah, right there.
About the middle of the float bowl.
Yeah.
So, now if you need to play with the jets in it and air bleeds and shit, and like I said, I'm not going to waste the time doing it when I've got the carburetor that was built for this engine, for the boost I'm running, for everything, the weight of the truck, the gears, the cam, everything coming from IRD. If I want it, I got another one that's already built and ready from CSU as well. Okay. He asked me tonight if I wanted it. He sent me an invoice. If I don't want it, no big deal. But, yeah. Where's that FEMA meter at?
Right here, my hand. Both sides were between 307 and 312 when it was running. At the collectors.
Let's see. Yeah, they're all about 170. So that's good. $217 right there. 273. Yeah, they're all about the same. Everything's about the same temperature.
Mm-hmm.
88 degrees on the water jacket. About 77 there at the fitting going in with the front of the head. 77, yeah. 78 on this radiator.
Huh.
See, with that valve open, it acts like a restrictor. You don't really have to even worry about thermostat. So, that's a good thing. It definitely needs some carb work. I'm not going to worry about that one.
Yeah.
What's your temperature? 94 to 92.
I'm gonna give you the big finger.
Yeah. So that made noise. There you go. Carburetor gets here, we'll get it done and drive it.
I can hear it in the house.
Well, I'm sure you get here in the house. But this carburetor needs quite a bit of adjustment. It goes from like being fine at idle. AFRs are pretty decent, but as soon as you rev it up, it drops to like 10.4, 10.2, which is way rich. And if you were here, you would understand way rich by the way the fumes are. So, yeah. Anyway, there you go. Later.